Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Do you want to turn videos like this into something great without all this shakiness and all these issues? How we can turn that video in this kind of video with this improved smoothness and all the other features? Or imagine having a video with this kind of quality. Well, we can do that by using WinX Video AI. In this video I'll show you how I enhanced this video quality using this amazing tool which is called WinX Video AI, and which are some of the features that you can use for image enhancement and for video improved quality. Also in this video I'll talk about the current 20th anniversary promotion that they have on their website, which basically comes with a lot of offers which I'm gonna show at the end of this video. So please stay tuned and see what this application can do and what is the offer right now based on the promotion that they have. Alright, so here we are. Here it is, the tool. It's pretty basic to download. Just follow the link on the description below, and then once you installed, you'll come on this main page of the tool. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some basic features that Image AI provides. So we click over there, and then you have to drag and drop the picture that you want to enhance the quality. We click over OK, and then directly on the right it will start generating the image details by applying different kind of AI models that we have here on the right. Once it will be over this, I will show you right away. Alright, so here it is. You can easily understand the difference between these two qualities, the one in the left and in the one in the right. It seems pretty much a big difference. You have here on the right different AI models that you can apply. You can read what kind of settings they have, each one of these models. You can try to find which one helps you better. You can improve the resolution by clicking over resolution. Here you have up to 8K resolution. You can click over enhanced image and also improve their part too. You can also do an image restoration by clicking over image restoration here and then choosing face restoration. In this case I don't have any faces on my picture, but actually this is one of the nice features that WinX Video AI provides you. In their website you can see more examples where actually it has worked for the restoration of the faces. As you can see here, it's really great and really powerful tool. Alright, so once you have applied all the settings that you want on the right, you just click over start. Let's wait until it's over and let's see how it will look after I change it a bit, the settings here on the right. Alright, so here it is, the comparison between those two. This is what we had, this is what we got after we applied this kind of settings that we have on the right. But like I said, just play around with the settings and you'll find the best how you like based on the picture that you are using. Now let's go back to the main page where we were gonna show you some of the video features that this tool provides. So here it is, Video AI. We click over there and again we do the same thing. We have to browse to the location where we have the video. Let's suppose that I want this video to enhance the quality of it, and it will start right away applying the features that there were already there. We wait a bit until it will show the result, and then we play around again with the features and the settings of the AI model that we can apply. Alright, it was quick. So basically, as you can see, it's obvious the difference between the left and the right. In order to play, we just click over here over play, and you can easily see the differences between those two qualities. You can change the AI model however you like. You can apply, for example, a real smooth version 3. This is the one that I like, and choose high quality fast mode. You can change the scale, you can change the resolution. There are a lot of things that you can do on these videos in order to improve their quality. Also, you can choose stabilization in case that you have issues with the stabilization with this video, so there are some shaking or whatever, but in this case I don't need to do that. Also, a very powerful feature that they have is frame interpolation. You can define all the settings however you like, and then once you are done with all these things that you want to do with this video, you just click over start and it will show you the model or the result of this video enhancement. So here it is again. This is what we see on the right is the improved one. The one in the left is the original version. And if you are happy with it, you keep that. Otherwise, you go again and play around with the model and then once you're over, you click over run, and then it will start processing and exporting the file to your video location, which is the default one in this case based on the settings when you installed the program, but it will open the output folder when the conversation is completed. So basically, if you got old videos, Blu-ray footage or low quality image, by using WinX Video AI, you will be able to improve those qualities. WinX Video AI is currently celebrating 20th anniversary, and the company is saying that it has the lowest price of the year, including a buy one get two free offer. So basically, here it is, their offer: you buy one and then get two free WinX Mediatrans Best iPhone Transfer ART Image Made in AI Background Remover. I have a video about AI artists, so please just check on the description below a video about that, and then you get this for free if you buy WinX Video AI. Basically, that's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you liked this video, and please share in the comments below what do you think about this tool. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.